Hi, Tony Prince here, Director of Alternative Gifts International. I want to thank Laura McFall and all the volunteers that came out to plan and support the Wichita Alternative Gift Market. And thank you to all the congregations and organizations that adopted a project. It meant so much. Each year, the Wichita Alternative Gift Market is one of our biggest, most celebrated markets around the United States. We serve beneficiaries together throughout the world. I recently traveled to Mexico and to Myanmar. In Mexico, I visited an orphanage. I saw children with a loving and secure and structured environment. In Tijuana, I visited a well baby clinic where little children are getting their first shots for free. In Myanmar, I visited schools where children are getting an education that they otherwise could never have afforded without our help. We are making a difference, Wichita. Thank you so much for all you do. We look forward to working together in 2014. All the best from AGI. Bye-bye.